Our company primarily manufactures high-volume parts and prototypes for automotive parts. We also manufacture parts for industrial machinery, including components for industrial robots and aircraft. When we introduced new 5-axis machining capabilities, we started receiving new orders. As their deadlines neared, I would check the factory, only to see that the projects were far from completion. These delays were caused by many limitations and bugs in our software systems. This led to constant errors in production that impeded the manufacturing process. Our cutting-edge equipment could not be programmed using the previous CAD/CAM systems. This troubling situation started causing problems with our clients. In these difficult circumstances, Siemens experts, including their sales team, worked really hard trying to solve our problems. They responded promptly to our inquiries. Thanks to the Siemens team, we quickly resolved the operational issues with our machines. NX includes a feature called synchronous modeling. This is an extremely useful tool. Other CAD/CAM systems use a log, known as a parametric, to modify the model. However, with NX, a model can be easily modified, even if it is only an interim file that does not include this log. This feature cuts the part preparation time by 70 to 80%. Also, NX is highly automated and versatile software. Our company manufactures extremely thin components, which is a very difficult machining process, requiring very specific cutting methods, and most CAM systems are unable to meet our needs. Being able to generate a precise tool path that can be easily adjusted is very effective in these cases. Whenever 3D part models are supplied to us from a customer, we always need to modify the part geometry for the machining process. Using other software systems, this process is extremely labor-intensive. However, by implementing NX, we reduce the time required to prepare CAD models for machining by up to 70%. There are many powerful tools in NX CAM, which help us shrink the NC programming time by up to 80%. We have confirmed via manufacturing using point cloud data that the controls are extremely fast, which can help us further reduce machining time. We also expect to see improvements in surface roughness. Therefore, we plan to implement Siemens controllers in the future. Also, we are considering introduction of labor-saving technology, including robotics. We intend to use NX CAM to program robots for machine tending and machining. Our goal is to drive our operations using one comprehensive software system that includes many powerful features, such as robotic programming tools to automate our production.
Siemens, ingenuity for life.